Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Dollar General account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Dollar General account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address dollargeneral.com, and after that hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Dollar General. And over here guys, this is the home page of Dollar General. Now in order to log into your account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the sign in button available for us. Click on the sign in button and this drop down menu will appear where you can see the sign in button again available for us over here. Click on that and then you'll be directed to the login panel or the sign in panel of the Dollar General. And now in order to proceed, you'll be required to enter your email address over here with which you have created an account on the Dollar General, or your phone number. You can use both of them, and after that enter your password guys. Now guys, if you forgot your password, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to reset your Dollar General account's password by your email or your phone number. And that being said guys, after entering your email address or your phone number and your password over here, simply click on the sign in button over here and then you log into your Dollar General account. And then guys, this is how you log into your Dollar General account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.